Legend has it that a pirate named Cabeza de Perro once hid a great treasure along the coasts of Tenerife. Some say it lies inside sea caves, near the cliffs of Los Gigantes. Others whisper about tunnels hidden beneath the mountains. No one has ever found the exact place. The sea keeps its silence, and the rocks seem to guard a secret that does not wish to be revealed. Some believe the pirate vanished without a trace. Others claim that his ship still sleeps on the ocean floor. Fishermen say that many have come searching for the treasure. And some say that deep within a hidden sea cave, an emerald dragon guards the pirates' lost gold. Silent, eternal, beneath the cliffs of Tenerife,